Damn!
See if they landed again. Look, they're pulling every branch of the tree. Look at that. I've never seen that shit.
I'm getting out.
No, you're not. Busy street. You want to?
Yes,
No, I want to go home. Yes, no.
I do.
Really cool.
I really want to get out.
Look, we're going. Just go into the graveyard.
I'm here first.
Stop. Let me get out.
No, yeah.
Joe, get out quick.
Holy crap.
Get out.
No, just hang here for
No, I want to get a video.
Move, Jim, move.
Let him get a video.
Joe, watch out.
Open the door.
Say Blackbird family reunion.
him away.
Don't look, see? It's a Blackbird family reunion.
You want to go scare him?
No. Yeah, they may come at you.
Holy shizzy. Look.
Here it comes, Jim.
I don't care.
Look at all of them.
No, don't get out, Donnie. You're going to scare him.
We're going for higher ground. You're moving too fast, Jimmy.
No, I'm not.
They must get good vibes with this thing, though.
Yeah, or each Blackbird is someone's soul. I'm getting really nervous. Standing.
They just made like a whole branch fall. They just made a whole branch fall.
Every second they land, they just leave.
Look, and there's still more.
What the hell?
Where are they coming from?
Don't even move. Don't make loud noises. Jim, stop. That's as close as you're getting. You don't want to scare any of them away. You want to show Aunt Roberta? No, they're leaving. Do you see how many there are? Sorry.
They look like a tornado. There's a hawk.
Oh, the hawk's gonna eat them.
One hawk and a bunch of tiny birds.
The hawk's gonna come here. Hey, you guys! Look above you at all the birds! There's 1 million of them! You don't know them.
I don't see them.
I do. Oh. Well, there's a bunch of birds in it. I'll wait till they No, Jim, get in the car and roll down the window so you don't scare them. Look at all those. It's a friendly. Holy crap, it's a friendly. And there's still spilling more down there. Woo! I was trying to scare the birds.
Joe, let me sit there.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Wait.
Hey, Jim.
I can't get in because you're in the way.
Door's not shut.
Monty, Trista, Donnie, get in.
They're maneuvering.
And where's the rest of them?
Oh, I can see them on every tree. Down that tree. That. I'm gonna get that tree right there. See them all right there.
Look at all this.
Get a shot.
Thank you.
Tim, stop. You don't want to scare them.
I think to be warm in this neck of the woods.
I'm not
Here they
doing
go, they're coming
anything.
down. Film that, Jim.
Look at that all. Look at all those birds.
Donnie,
Donnie, get in the
stop.
car and stay in the car. They're waiting for us to.
Get in. They're moving them. They're all right there. You set the bill. They're
They're
going
waiting
down.
for us to throw
Here they
some
go.
bird seeds.
Look at them all. Now don't bother them for a minute. Joe, don't bother them for a minute.
Look at all those. The million.
Or just killed like
Look at all of them.
Look, there's one bird that just left. Somebody's door's open. Could you please shut it?
Shut it. Let me drive down here and see if they come back. Your door's shut all the way?
Yeah.
Here they are. See them over there? I want to see if they fly back here.
Nah, they're all landing in that tree, but then the second they land, they're all gonna fly away. Look. Holy crap, people are probably like, what the hell is going on?
Look, see that big bunch
Yeah,
over
they're
there?
all,
Then
they're
all of
all landing in like the trees way down there.
Mhm.
I'm gonna just follow them all day. I wish I was one of those birds in the bird clan.
Mhm.
What if they come back and start eating my chips?
They're going to come back here.
I said don't stick at them. Then how'd they get on the car?
Just that bird. Dead ahead.
Yeah, and they're in the tree to the left of us. I mean on the right. On the right.
Leave them alone.
I say let's just leave. Jim, get back
No,
in
go
the
straight, go straight.
No, we scared them out of this neck of the woods. I'm not going to chase them around all day.